Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a My Creative Time design team project. We are back from our extended vacation and it was a needed one for me, and I'm so thankful that I was able to take one. Anyways, so this time I have a theme to go by and it is a favor. So that's what I'll be showing you today. My favor box and all of the items that I use. I'll have My Creative Time links down below to her store, her YouTube channel, as well as my design team sisters. If you would like to use my code MOE for 10% off your total purchase, you may do so, or any of the designers. On release weekends, it will be 15% off. All right, so let me show you what I use. So starting out, I use this paper, dots, solids, and stripes, and I am using the pink paper. From the fairy dies too, I'm using this little girl here, except for the wings. And then I pulled out this set here, which are the Cupid add-ons, if I'm not mistaken. I believe it's Cupid add-ons, yes. Cupid add-ons. I am using from here, I'm using a set of stamps, and it is Hello Love. And then I'm also using this arrow here. And I'm also using the My Creative Time tall die layers, and I'm using this one here, and I shortened it a little bit too. From the strawberry flower plate, I am using some flowers from here that Shabby Pink House made for me, and I'm so thankful. Thank you again. And I'll have her link down below too. And then from the leaf plate dies, I'm using some leaves from here. And I pulled out these large Prim Hearts, and I'm using, I want to say this size and this one there. And then this is a recent purchase. I had seen Jill Norwood. She used this a few times, and I finally picked it up. And I love this little box. Anyways, I'm using this shopping bag for my little treat favor. And here goes this cute little box that I created. It is just adorable. I love this box. I don't know why I didn't get it sooner. I hope this is not blurred. It's showing to me that it's a little blurred. There we go. I think that's a little better. I hope you can see it. But anyways, I doubled up the hearts, and I used some red metallic paper. And this plain paper was from that same pack. It's just the back side of this polka dot pink. This is where I cut down that tall frame die layer. And these are those beautiful pink flowers that Shabby Pink House sent to me. Those are those that leaf plate die. And then all of these little layering pieces came with the little fairy, but she's adorable on there. And like I said, the Hello Love came from the Cupid add-ons too. It came with stamps, so that is just adorable. And then on the back side, I just used Just For You, which came with the box, and did the same thing as far as the layers back here. But adorable. Added some shred in there, but this would just be absolutely perfect for Valentine's Day. And this box is about 1 inch wide, and I want to say about 4.5 inches tall. But I love how she turned out. She's just adorable. So if you have the time, make sure you head over to the store and pick that adorable little box up. She is just too cute, along with the fairy dies, the Prim Hearts. Just everything is just so cute about this little box. All right, so that's all I have for you, everyone. Thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.